Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu says, Aqib and Sayyid, the chiefs of Najran, came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, intending that they and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam should invoke Allah's curse for each other. The reporter says one of them said to the other, "Don't do so, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if he is a prophet and we invoke mutual imprecation. Neither we nor our descendants after us will ever thrive." Then both of them said, "We will give you as much property as you demand. You should send a trustworthy man with us, but don't send a man who is not a trustworthy." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I will send with you such an honest man as is really trustworthy." The companions of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam were waiting for such a man. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O Abu Ubaidah, get up." When he got up, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "He is the trustworthy of this ummah." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4380.